Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Microbiotics Val Talk. Hope you're good. How are you? I'm your usual host and the narrator Tayo Fasuan. So we'll be talking about human papillomavirus vaccine today in continuation of Val Talks and science com activities on vaccine preventable diseases and vaccines generally. Like I said last time, this is in this science communication activities, write-ups, talks targeted against the circulating rumors about the incoming human papillomavirus vaccine. And we want to allay people's fear. We want to tell them that nothing is wrong with these vaccines, just like every other vaccines we've been taking since time immemorial. So we'll be giving out vital information concerning the vaccine for preventing of human papillomavirus induced cervical cancer. Don't forget that the vaccination is to prevent cervical cancer in women, especially in teenage girls, which majority of the vaccine activity will be directed towards. So, and this is not the first time we are talking about HPV. We've spent a lot of resources talking about HPV. It's one of the first Val Talk we ever did. We've written a lot about it. Human papillomavirus causes cervical cancer in women, and it also causes genital warts in men as well, even to the extent of causing oral warts as well. So, and the HPV vaccine help to protect against this cancer, this cervical cancer, and also the genital warts. And every person can take this vaccine. Every person can take the vaccine, especially women. Even men have been encouraged to even take the vaccine if possible. Though the recent vaccination exercises are much more directed towards women because they are the one who suffer more from cervical cancer. And cervical cancer is dangerous in the sense that most people don't know, don't really know that they are having it until it has reached the later stages. So, and it's not actually outside the body, it's within the body, within the cervixes. So, most of the time, by the time it gets to the advanced stage, it's already too late to treat and even too late to prevent. So, and like I said, almost everyone can take the HPV vaccine. Even breastfeeding women can take it, but it is not advisable or suitable for pregnant women to take anyway for some obvious reasons. So, and of course, as we've been told and as we know, cervical cancer and HPV infection usually transmitted among sexually active women. So it is is advisable, is usually best if girls and ladies get vaccinated before they start having sex for the first time. So this will provide protection against any exposure to the virus. But if you've already started having sex, it's still okay. You can actually take it so that you also benefit from the vaccine. And around the world presently, we have we have six licensed HPV vaccine that have been recommended, that have been pre-qualified by WHO, so that people can actually have access to it, and they are being marketed in countries throughout the world. And all these vaccines are highly effective and efficacious in preventing the infections. especially with the virus type 16 and 18, which are known to be responsible for 70% of the cervical cases around the world. So the 6 HPV vaccine, among them we have 3 bivalent vaccine, 2 quadrivalent, and 1 non-valent. The quadrivalent vaccine is highly efficacious in preventing anogenital warts, which is a common genital disease that are caused by HPV type 6 and 11. And the non-valent vaccine provide additional protection against HPV type 31, 33, 45, 52, and 58. So, and of course, the HPV virus have different types, as you could have noticed, and all of them are known to cause cervical cancer. So we have data from the clinical trials of the vaccines, which have been done in several continents around the world, and it shows that the vaccines are very, very safe. They are very, very safe. So people need to be calm and relax about the vaccines. All the vaccines so far that has been produced, apart from the mild adverse effects that follow some of them, there have been no recorded mortality when vaccine are being given to people. So we should actually relax and help our daughters, our sisters to actually be protected against cervical cancer. The incidence of cervical cancer has risen in recent years, leading to the production of these vaccines. By the time we start rolling out statistics concerning those who have died due to cervical cancer, it's going to actually be surprising. But most people don't know, because this is not an infection or a disease that is actually very visible. It happens within those who contracted the infection. So as at 2022 December, the following schedules are recommended for the HPV vaccine. So for girls from age 9 to 14, 1 or 2 doses schedules are recommended for them, and 1 or 2 dose schedules for girls and women between age 15 and 20 as well, while 2 doses with a 6-month interval for women older than 21 are recommended for that age group, and a minimum of 2 doses, and when possible 3 doses remain necessary for those known to be immunocompromised or who are already HIV infected. So these are the recommendations, and of course we have experts. We've been having experts in this field for a long time, those who have dedicated their lives in Nigeria here to actually see to the reduction of cervical cancer cases in women. Microbiotics has been at the forefront for many years, and most of the partners of the firm as well, they are also committed to it. So if you have any fear, any question, any clarification that you need, don't hesitate to get across to us. We are here to provide those, and we are assuring you that HPV vaccine, the one that is coming, the one has already started in some states, but of course there are fears because of the rumors being circulated. If you have any fear that this particular about talk has not addressed, let us know. We are going to definitely provide you answer and refer you to even experts and better authorities. We have all the health facilities around us, which are loaded with qualified personnel to actually resolve any fear that you have. So stay safe and make sure you get yourself vaccinated. We still have other vaccines that are available. These vaccines are very important, and it's actually a big credit to our government for making them available, because they are being purchased and made available freely for people to have access to, especially our children. So make sure that you get yourself vaccinated against all possible infection and diseases that are circulating around the world or around the country. Is very, very, very important. So till next time that we are able to talk, make sure that you have a nice day ahead of you, and make sure you stay safe and disease free. Bye bye.